Good morning, children. After the explanation of the chapter Pinocchio, now today we are going to do textbook exercise. In the chapter, what we had learned, there was a carpenter, very old carpenter. He had got a piece of wood, and what he did, he used a plane on it. See, you can see in the picture what he did. He wanted to make something from the wood, so he used a plane on it. But when he was doing it, when he was using it, suddenly a laughing voice came. He was surprised, he was shocked. The old carpenter was puzzled and he was shocked. He thought that this strange piece of wood, how is possible from this piece of wood the noise is coming, the voice is coming. Then he realized it and then he started thinking what I should make of it. So he decided to make a puppet. What he decided? He decided to make a puppet. So he started the work on it. He gave the shape of a boy to that puppet. Boy he made of that puppet. Then, giving the shape, the old man gave the name Pinocchio. After that, when he finished with the eyes work, carpenter was very much surprised to see that the eyes were moving here and there. And when before the mouth was made, before he could make the mouth, it began to laugh. What happened? Before making the mouth of that puppet, that is the name of the puppet given Pinocchio, it began to laugh. So the carpenter asked him to stop laughing. It did stop then. What happened? It stopped. See, you can see the picture over here. He is making the shapes and everything. Then what happened? It put out its tongue and his nose grew longer. Then he made nose also, tongue, hands, everything. But this puppet was what? Was little bit mischievous. Right? What he used to do with the hands, he used to snatch away the wig, the hair which the carpenter was wearing on the head. He put it on his head, snatched off and put it on his head itself, Pinocchio. When his legs and feet were made, they were too stiff, hard. So the carpenter showed Pinocchio how to use them. Now this carpenter decided to send Pinocchio to school. Pinocchio went to school, but he did not do over there. He did nothing over there. He did not do anything at all in the school, but look for fun. He became mischievous and he was doing mischief only. He often ran away from school. See, you can see over here Pinocchio how he touched the hair of the carpenter. See. And when the carpenter asked Pinocchio, why you are not going to the school? Pinocchio used to tell a lie. So whenever he used to speak a lie, his nose grew longer. See, in this picture you can see when he told a lie, his nose grew longer. Growing longer and longer. Each time he was rude to someone or told a lie, his nose grew longer only. Finally, Pinocchio said, I am glad to be a real boy. He was happy to be a real boy and he'll never lie again. Then he agreed that he will never lie again because he is happy to become a real boy. Now we'll do the exercise. What did the carpenter buy? What did the carpenter buy? So what is the answer? The carpenter bought a strange piece of wood. What did the carpenter buy? The carpenter, T-H-E, the carpenter, what he bought? A strange, S-T-R-A-N-G-E, strange. Carpenter bought. What did the carpenter buy? Again we'll say the carpenter Bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. A, strange, S-T-R-A-N-G-E, strange. Piece of wood, P-I-E-C-E, piece of wood. Right, this is the first answer. Now second, what did he make of it? What did he make of it? So answer, the carpenter made a puppet. Made a puppet boy. He made a puppet boy out of it. Puppet boy out of it. Third, what did he call his puppet? He called his puppet. He called his puppet. He called his puppet Pinocchio. What name he gave? Pinocchio. P-I-N-O-C-C-H-I-O. Pinocchio, it gave the name. The last. What did Pinocchio say in the end? What did he say in the end? So Pinocchio said, what Pinocchio said in the end, that he was glad, G-L-A-D, glad to be a real boy, to be a real boy. He would never lie again. He would never lie again. Now we'll go to the next exercise of the textbook. Now we'll go to this word fun. What is this? Word fun. How many words can you make from Pinocchio? Fill in the empty box. Now from this word we have to make few more words. Example is given. P-I-N, pin. Over here it is given. And H-O-P, hop. So from this word we have to make more. So now we'll start. N-O, no. Then H-I-P, hip. Next C-H-O-P, chop. O-N, on. C-H-I-P, chip. N-I-P, nip. I-N-C-H, inch. And the last C-H-I-N, chin. So once again we'll do P-I-N, pin. H-O-P, hop. C-H-I-N, chin. N-O, no. I-N-C-H, inch. I-N-C-H, inch. H-I-P, hip. N-I-P, nip. C-H-O-P, chop. O-N, on. And the last is C-H-I-P, chip. So, did you follow from the word Pinocchio how many words we made? We made plenty of words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 words we made. Now we'll go to the next page. Make opposite with the words. What we have to do? We have to make opposite with the words. D-I-S, this, N-I-N, in is there. Now the first one is R-E-S-P-E-C-T. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Now what we have to use? We have to use D-I-S, this, or I-N, in. So what we will use? Disrespect. So we will use over here D-I-S, this. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. That is disrespect. Then the next is A-B-L-E, able. So we'll again use D-I-S, this. A-B-L-E, disable. Then efficient. So we'll use inefficient. 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 Then own. So we'll use dis, this, own. So disown. Capable. So we'll use incapable. in, capable. Incapable. Then secure. Insecure. So dear children, we made many opposite words of the words given over here. Once again we will say respect, disrespect, able, disable, efficient, inefficient, own, disown, capable, incapable, secure, insecure. Now make naming words adding NESS, TY at the end of the words given below. One has been done for you. Now we'll see. Public, so it is publicity. Stupid, stupidity. Now forgive is there. So what will you use? Forgiveness. What we will use? Forgiveness. So FORGIVENESS. Forgiveness. Next, kind. So it is kindness. 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 Polite. So it's politeness. 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 Moral. Morality. 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 Then blind. So it is blindness. BLIND. Blind. NESS. Blindness. Cruel. So it is cruelty. CURELTY. Cruelty. It is cruelty. Then shift. So it is swiftness. 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 Solid. So it is solidity. SOLIDITY. Exercise 3. So once again, second exercise we will read public, publicity, forgive, forgiveness, kind, kindness, polite, politeness, moral, morality, stupid, stupidity, blind, blindness, cruel, cruelty, swift, swiftness, and solid, so solidity. Now, which of the following would you expect a carpenter to use at work? Which of the following would you expect a carpenter to use at work? See now over here, many mixed things are given. Now what does carpenter use? We have to select and we have to write here in the blanks given below. So we'll read the words first. Bench, poker, plane, chisel, fork, spade, blotting paper, lawn mower, telescope, pincers, jaw, scissors, hammer, map, nails, lathe, pencil, and wheel. Now we'll see what a carpenter use. A carpenter use. Okay, so now with the next exercise, which of the following would you expect a carpenter to use at work? So now we'll select which of the following the carpenter use for the work. So the first one from bench, no, he cannot use that. Poker, no. We'll take plane. PLANE, plane. PLANE, plane. PLANE, plane. Then we'll take the another word is what? Chisel. So CHISEL. Now fork, no, he cannot use that. Spade, 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 spade. Blotting paper, no. Lawn mower, that also he cannot use, a carpenter. Telescope, no. Then pincers, no. Jaw, that also he cannot use. Scissor, no, that also a carpenter doesn't use that. Hammer, yes. So hammer, hammer. Then map, no, he does not need a map. Nails, yes, he use a nail. So nails, nails. Then what else? Lethal, lathe, lethal. Then pencil, yes, a carpenter needs a pencil to do marking on the wood. So pencil, pencil, pencil. And the last one is spade, spade, spade. So all these things a carpenter uses. What he does, all these things are used by the carpenter. Now we'll go to the next page. Now here what we have to do, we have to make sentences using some of the above words. What we used for the carpenter, we have to use those words in the sentences. So we used plane first, plane, plane. So in that the carpenter used his plane on the wood to make it smooth. Then chisel, chisel, chisel. So he chiseled some marble. Hammer, hammer, hammer. So what the word will use? The carpenter lost his hammer. Nails, nails, nails. I hit some nails with the hammer on the wall. We have to make sentences what the carpenter has used, right? Then lethal, lethal. So the carpenter's new lethal was stolen. Pencil, pencil, pencil. So I bought an HB pencil. Spade, spade, spade. He is working in the garden with a spade. Now give another word from the story that means completed. Means what another word? So we'll use finished, finished. Finished. Surprised, so it is amazed, amazed, amazed. Strange, quiver, quiver. Make up your mind, so that is decided, decided. Now add er or r to the doing words below to make new words. Now what we have to do? We have to use er or r with these words given below. So first one is stiff. So what we will use? Stiffer, stiffer, stiffer. Then fight. So fightr, fighter. Then juggle. So juggler, juggler. Speak, speaker, speaker, speaker. Write, writer, writer, writer. Then strange, stranger, stranger, stranger. Dance, dancer, dancer. Ride, rider, rider. Use, user, user. Joke, joker, joker. So once again we will get stiff, stiffer, fight, fighter, juggle, juggler, speak, speaker, write, writer, strange, stranger, dance, dancer, ride, rider, use, user, joke, joker. Now we will go to the next. Oh, this is a comprehension passage. What do you remember? What is this? A comprehension. Yes. A A passage is given and here we have to read the passage. Then question answers are given over here. We have to write the answers from the passage. Looking in the passage, search the answer and you have to write the answer of this question. First we will read the passage. Once a cunning jackal jumped into a big tub of blue dye. I am your king, he said. All the animals, big and small, believed him and bowed him before him. The clever jackal smiled. Now he was the most powerful animal in the forest. He was proud to be king. Once the jackal woke up in the middle of the night. The jackals in the forest were howling at the full moon in the sky. The blue jackal forgot he was a king. He too began to howl. Hoo ha, he cried. The animals ran out to see. He is not a king, he is just a jackal, they shouted. They rushed to attack him. Stop, stop, I'm sorry, I tricked you. Please do not kill me, said the blue jackal. The animals forgave him, but only after giving the jackal a good beating. Now see, what is this story? This is story about a king. Why did the animals think that the jackal was a king? The animals thought that the jackal was a king because he dyed himself in blue color. Because he dyed himself in a blue color. Then second, how did the jackal become blue? The jackal jumped into a big tub of blue dye. Jumped into a big tub of blue dye and he became a blue. What did the animals do when they saw the blue jackal? When the animals saw the blue jackal, they thought, what they thought? They thought that he was the king and bowed before him. Why did the dogs feel scared when they saw the jackal? The dogs felt scared when they saw the jackal because now the jackal was looking fearful in blue color. He was looking very fearful in a blue color. How did the animals know that the king was just a jackal? How did the animals know? Once the jackal got up in middle of the night, right? The jackal in the forest were howling and he forgot himself that he was a king. He forgot himself that he himself was a king. So he too began to howl with other animals. And like that, they came to know. In this way, they came to know that the king was just a jackal. So I hope you have understood the passage over here, comprehension and the question answers also. Now we'll go to the next. Over here what it is? Here all different types of puppets are shown how to make. A brown envelope, newspaper, stick, glue, paper, colors, sketch pen. See, all these items are in the house only. You have to just follow the method and you have to make a puppet of it. Now see, how many types of puppets are there in the world? Amazing world of puppets. Shadow puppet, string puppet. Why? Because it is attached to the string. Glove puppet, finger puppet. See, on the thumb, the puppet is made and then it is kept on the thumb. So like that, it is a finger puppet. And sculpture puppet. Okay, so dear children, I hope you have understood the textbook exercise. You have to write this exercise in your textbook only with neat and good handwriting. Thank you, students.